Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, so thank you kindly for sending me this unit. It is the Dashley Headband Wig and Bangs, and I got it in the color 2, and this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. It has detachable bangs, which I think is very unique. This is what the inside of the stock card is looking like, and then on the back it comes with specialty colors and some of the other colors that it comes in. But I think this is a very unique wig. The idea and thought of it is very unique. I like it though. It's just, I was kind of shocked when I got it. I was like, oh snap, this is cool. So it is the Dashley Headband Wig and Bangs. It's a comfortable and breathable headband. It's made with a cool fit fabric that actively pulls heat from your scalp, which is cool, and it has a detachable, removable headband piece for versatility. The cap size can be adjusted to fit various head sizes, which I can agree to that. There's combs for extra security, functional yet chic and comfy style, a great protective style for any occasion. So guys, you can wear this unit as a headband wig without the bangs or a headband wig with the bangs. I will say that when I first got the unit, it had like this fabric on it for the strap back here in the back. I do think it's a little thick underneath my unit. I did fold it in half, but it is very big, you guys. It's like a big square. So I do think that when making headband wigs, and this is even companies that make, you know, human hair wigs that I reviewed in the past, I do think that they should make the headband part in the back thinner, because it's irritating throughout the day. But the great part about this unit is that you can put another headband on top of the black that it comes with, like how the model has it in the stock card photo. I think that is so cool. Sorry, my lighting is like, there you go, you can see it now. I think that is so cool and it's so cute. And if you guys saw, I took the and as you guys saw earlier, I took the bang off just to show you how you can take it off and put it back on. For the sake of this video, I am not showing how it looks as a regular headband wig, you guys. There are tons of headband wigs out there. I reviewed a few. It's just a standard headband wig. But I think that adding the bangs on here is just so cute and it's different. It's definitely different. I think I would most likely wear it with a colored headband wig in the spring, which is so cute. So yeah, I do like the curl pattern. I do think that the waviness of this unit is really, really nice. I do think it's a little on the thin side. I feel like, I don't know, I felt like it was a little thin. You know, if you wanted to put it up, you can do so, which is cute. That's really cute. And it also has a drawstring back here as well, which I thought was really cool. You can tuck that in. It does have like a lot of combs. It has a comb in the middle, a comb on the side, a comb on the side, and another comb in the back as well. But this is cute. It's just something about these T-Boss bangs that I love. I love these T-Boss bangs. That's what I call them. So I had bought a bang a while ago for the VMAs on Amazon. It was like a clip-on bang and it was so cute, and it was like this T-Boss vibe, and I love it. I just love this. It's so cute, and I like wearing it up. It's actually really, really cute. It's definitely giving me classy vibes right now. So the price for this unit is not available yet, you guys. As I'm recording, I did not see it online. It's not available. So by the time this video comes out, it will be available right here, the price. There will also be a Google link in the description box below where you can find this unit. But other than that, y'all, I am feeling this unit. It's versatile, it's easy, it's quick, it's a protective style, it's big hip friendly, it has a nice amount of caps, it has adjustable straps back there, it has an elastic, not elastic, it has a drawstring as well. I like it. It has a little bit of everything for everybody. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Would you get this unit? How would you wear it? And what are your thoughts on the detachable bang? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.